Okay, so today we will see about rest of operators. Already we have started with arithmetic operators, and last class we have seen about the precedence of arithmetic operators and associativity among those operators. So in precedence already we have seen which operator will be taken into consideration first when there are multiple number of operators, arithmetic operators or any other operators. But we have seen only the precedence of arithmetic operators only. Now today we will see, and similarly we have seen also associativity. Associativity when there are similar precedence operators are there and multiple operators are there in an expression. So how associativity will help to find the or evaluate the expression. Now today we will see about other operators, okay, like logical operators, comparison operators, and bitwise and assignment operators. Yes, arithmetic operators we have already covered. Now unary operators. Okay, so unary operators, there are 5 such operator. Okay, and unary plus, unary minus, increment operator, decrement operator, and logical complement operator. Now let us see what are those operators. Why they are called unary operators? The question. Okay. Okay. So now unary operator. So plus, minus, double plus, minus, minus, and logical complement. Okay. So these are total 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 such operator. Okay. Now why this is called unary operator? Because these operators only works or stands with a single operand. Okay, operand operand single operand. Okay, like I will say plus 5. I can write this expression also. This is a valid expression, plus 5. Okay, or I have declared int a, and I can write plus a. This is a valid expression, or I can write minus a also. That means plus 5, you don't have to write plus 5 because all positive integers can be written without using this operator. Since plus or minus, okay, are along with a single operand, only one operand. Okay, that's why this is called unary operator. In case of binary operator, just like same plus sign, you do what? A plus b. You are adding two integers or two variables. You need two operands. So that's why that is called binary operator. Binary operator. Here we are using only with one operand, just like plus 5, plus a, minus b, or minus a. Okay. Similarly, increment operator and decrement operator, both are also work with only single operand. You use like I plus plus, right? Semicolon. This is mean This means I is equal to I plus 1. In shorthand, we are writing with using this operator I plus plus. That means I is equal to I plus 1. We are incrementing the value of I with previous value plus 1. This I is previous value or old value. This is new value. Okay. On the left hand side of assignment operator, okay, so this is new value, this is old value plus 1. So you are incrementing the variable I with 1. Similarly, so that expression can be written as this unary operator. Okay, so this is called, okay, increment operation. Similarly, you can write I minus minus. So similar, there is pre-increment or post-increment operator or pre-decrement or post-decrement operator. Okay, I can write also min plus I. Similarly, I can write minus I. Since these are used with one operand or one variable at a time, so those are called unary operator. Similarly, logical complement operator. Okay, logical complement means what? 1. Logical complement. Okay, so we will see in logical complement. Okay, there are 2 ways we can write. So we can see the complement. Complement means if the value is true, binary value is true, then the binary value will be logical complement of this value will be false. If the logical value is false, if you complement it, then logical value will be finally true. So each bit, if it can be represented as 0 and 1, if I put this complement operator or unary complement operator, so you can say 0 negation of 0 or this complement of 0 is equal to 1 or negative complement of 1, sorry, logical complement of this one will be 0 for one bit. Now an integer can be represented in terms of bit also. An integer, how many bits are there? 4 bytes. So 4 bytes means 32 bit. So now you complement each of bit and you can represent that value, and you can use sign, ones complement, twos complement, all this thing, and finally you will get the value. Okay, so this is all about. So you will see detail this logical negative or negation, logical negation or logical complement operator. This is called logical negation or logical complement operator. Okay, so we can try out some of this this operator. Okay, you are not using much this unary plus. Okay, sometimes you can use unary minus, but these two operator and along with this negation, we will see these are very frequently used, unary operator, increment, decrement, and logical complement operator. Okay, so we'll see some few examples. Okay, okay, let us try. We make a class. Okay, then inside the main method we write those expression. Okay, suppose int is equal to 10. Now I will write a plus a. This is a valid operation. Okay. This is not a already taken out. Then let me say, okay, now right. Yes, so this is a valid expression. Now minus a is a valid expression, but we cannot write plus a. Yes, so now let us see, this is plus, so this is also you can write plus a. Okay, now increment operator. Okay, so now let us see increment operator. This is plus plus. Okay, and you write unary plus operator. Unary negative operator, minus operator, minus a, and similarly you can write decrement operator, and another expression we can write plus plus a or minus minus a. This is pre, this is post. Okay, let us see, this is pre increment, and this is pre, and another expression you can write that is called logical negation unary operator. This is not taken. Okay, now let us run this one. Okay, so now you can see unary positive operator. Okay, so plus 10, so the compiler will show execute this, and the compiler the won't use plus sign. By default it will be written as plus, only one in digit form 10, but whenever we are writing minus unary unary negative operator or unary subtraction operator, then it will write minus 10. Similarly, increment operator you can see a plus plus. Okay, so now a minus minus, so that will be, so this is a value we can write. Okay, yes, So there is a case. Okay, so whenever you are using for this expression a plus plus, so first value is 10, so here it is 10. Then if you print, that will be 11. Okay, so let us see this example. Okay, a plus plus, you can write after incrementing, before incrementing, so first this will print as 10, then after incrementing a will become 11, so it will print 11. But in this case, okay, suppose I will write a equal to 10. Okay, now a equal to 10, first increment operation will happen, then assignment will be operation will happen. So a will become 11, and simply it will return 11. Okay, similarly decrement also, first decrement operation will happen, 11 minus 10, then 10 will be printed. Okay, and for negation unary operator, okay, slash tilde mark this mark and then 1. Suppose I am writing minus 1, then it is minus 2. Okay, so this is always 0. Okay, then it is writing negative complement operator. You will see why this is saying. And for only single bit, this is true. Okay, so this is not right. Okay, so tilde mark, this is for negative or the logical complement operator. Logical complement or negation unary operator. Okay, let us see then. These are the all unary operator. Fine. So in order to get this logical operator, we need to know one's complement and two's complement. So you will cover this in logical operator. But just remember, these are all unary operator, because only you need a single operand. Okay, and this pre-increment or post-increment or post-decrement or pre-decrement are important. You just remember this concept. Okay, or otherwise you will discuss once more. Okay, so there will be some question regarding this post increment, pre increment. Okay, so they can be jumbled, okay, in some question and some expression also, and you are asked to know what will be the value. Okay, suppose a plus plus into minus minus a. Is this a valid expression, right? You try it out. Okay, and what will the value? If initial value is 10, then what will be the value? So this type of question come, so we have to handle if you know the concept. What is this post increment or this pre decrement operator, and what is the precedence? All these things you should know. Okay, so do one thing, you open your ID, try out a few more expression. Okay, these are very simple operator using unary operator. You can try out this little bit complex expression. Okay, and apply your concept, whatever studied or what you know. Then we will see or move to the next concept or next chapter. Okay, so now coming to here. So this is all about unary operator. Now let us start from another. Yes. So this is bit operator. Okay, now we will or logical operator. Here we will elaborate some of few those operators. Okay, like a logical and, logical or. Okay, mm, not logical bitwise operator like a exclusive or left shift, right shift, unsigned right shift, and yes, this complement operation. One's complement, two's complement, all this. So you can see here there are binary bitwise operator or unary bitwise operator. Bitwise logical operator is like that, and or exclusive or. Shift operator is left shift, right shift, unsigned shift. Okay, so this let us see in the next class. Okay, and how we will write this operator and what are the concepts behind it.